Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we have writing work. Here we have first question is, Antonio suffers because he was generous. Do you think he should have waited for the return of his ship and then helped his friend? Write your response in 150 to 200 words. Dear learners, I will recall this for you, and what you have to do is to note down in your notebook and prepare for your exam. Antonio's kindness and generosity is not limited to his friend only. He is full of the milk of human kindness. He lends money to anyone who is in distress. He charges no interest on it. Thus he saves many from the cruel clutches of the moneylender, Shylock. Antonio's selfless generosity and kindness of heart endures him to all those who come in contact with him. He is held in high esteem by all, so Antonio suffers not because of his generosity, but because of his deep love for his friend Bassanio. He can't see his friend sad. When Bassanio falls in love with Portia, he wants to marry her, but he needs money for this purpose, so he comes to Antonio to borrow the money, but at that time Antonio himself is short of money because all his ships carrying rich cargoes have gone abroad and will take some time to return. But Antonio cannot see his friend in grief, so he decides to borrow the money from Shylock and thus signs that dangerous bond. No doubt Antonio should have waited for the return of his ships and then helped his friend. But he loves his friend Bassanio so much that he can willingly make any sacrifice for him. Second one is, write the character of Shylock. Shylock is a Jew. He is a moneylender. He lends money at very high rate of interest. He is a mean, greedy and cruel fellow. Shylock hates Antonio, who is another moneylender. Antonio lends money free of interest and thus spoils Shylock's business. So Shylock wants to get rid of Antonio at any cost. He feels that he can make a lot of money if Antonio is out of business. He hates Antonio also because he has received insults from him many a time. Antonio has often abused him in public. He has called him a cutthroat dog and spat upon his Jewish garments. When Antonio comes to Shylock to borrow some money for his friend Bassanio, Shylock gets a chance to have his revenge. He is a schemer and a wicked designer. He cunningly gets a bond signed from Antonio. According to this bond, if Antonio failed to repay the money in time, he should give a pound of flesh from his body as a penalty. No doubt Shylock is mad for money, but his passion for revenge is even stronger than his passion for money. He refuses to accept even 3 times the money he has lent to Antonio. He insists on having a pound of his flesh only. He is not at all worried about his money or interest on it. His sole purpose is to have his cruel revenge on Antonio. He spurns all appeals for mercy. Such beastly hard-heartedness makes him a thoroughly hateful character. So this was the writing work. we will go for third in tomorrow's video class. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.